up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Cracker. Low. Alright. That's a weird lick. Let's go with the chords first, then I'm going to show you that melody and that thing right there. So song is, we got standard tuning and we got a D major, 1, 2, 3. We got a C major, 1, 2, 3. We got an E major, 1, 2, 3, and we got a G, 1, 2, 3. Believe it or not, this is all the chords for this song. Let's check out the strumming. So that's on the D, down, down, up. So D, down, down, up, and on the C, up, down, down. Part for the acoustic guitar. Could end the lesson right now. E major, G, G, D major, C, C, E. Let's check out the electric guitar part. So let's grab 8 on the G string. So that we're going to go from 8 to 9, and then you can play the B and E string open. So you're going to go. And then land on the G note, which is 8, B, or if you're going to go to G here. And then you have that part for the verses. Starts with a B, and then the next times you want to bend on the G string. You want to bend 8 a little bit, and then you want to bend 10 B up to B. Pretty quick like that, I think. It's cool. Okay, guys. Short, simple lesson today. Cool song by Cracker, Low. See you tomorrow. Take it easy. Thank you.